Hello everyone, welcome to Priyanika Designs. Today we are going to see beautiful collections of Banarasi Dupi and silk sarees, and these sarees are on sale for Pongal and it is priced at just $50. All the sarees comes with a rich pallu and they are very beautiful designs, and some of the sarees has 12-inch and 16-inch big border, which is in fashion right now. So we will show you all the sarees one by one so that you can see the entire saree. If you like to order the sarees, please ping us at 978-223-3718, and these are priced at $50 and they are all ready stock and they can be shipped all over US. So the first saree is a nice coral red. This is also called as a tomato pink. So the saree comes with a green border, with a green big border, and here is the pallu design which you can see, and look at the saree how beautiful it is. And we will show you the blouse fabric. So here is the blouse fabric, and the butta runs all over the body on the saree. The colors might slightly differ because of the lighting. When you see in person and when you see it online, there will always be a slight color difference, but not much. And it comes with a border on the top and also on the bottom. This is the bottom border, and you can see the top border. This is the one that comes on the top. This is the second saree, and it is a royal blue color saree with a red color pallu, and it has all elephant motif on the border. Let me open this saree and show you. And this is a Banarasi Dupi and silk, priced at $50. So you can see how beautiful this saree is. Look at the color, and it's so beautiful. And this is the pallu of the saree. And let me show you the blouse fabric. This is the blouse fabric. This piece, the blouse fabric is plain, and see the body of the saree. The body of the saree, it has complete elephant buttas and a flower butta alternatively, and this buttas run all over the saree, like runs all over the body of the saree. And all these sarees are ready to ship. It's all on ready stock. No pre-order is required, and we can ship all over USA, and we will ship through USPS priority, and it will reach you in just 2 days. So the next saree is a green color saree with a navy blue border, and I think this is a 12-inch border, and the border has a peacock motif all over. And we will show you this saree. Show you the pallu part. This is the pallu of the saree. See the pallu of the saree. It looks so beautiful. It has all the flower motif all over the saree pallu. Yeah, it comes with the plain navy blue blouse fabric. This is the blouse fabric here, and they also have the border that can be used for the sleeves and also for the back of the blouse. And the body has all this teardrop buttas all over the saree, and these are looking so beautiful, and these are priced at just $50. The next saree is a very traditional color combination. It's a dark green with red, which is like, it's the classic traditional color combination, and we see so many sarees in this color combination, but still it is like it's always in fashion. This the green and red color combination. So this comes with I think it's a 16-inch border with a mango motif all over the border. And let me show you the body. So the body of the sari, it has round buttas, and this buttas runs all over the sari. And look at the pallu of the sari. The pallu of the sari also has like mangoes all over the border, and the blouse fabric is it's a plain red, and it comes with a nice wide border that can be used for the sleeves and also for the back of the blouse. And see the body of the sari, looks so beautiful, and the round butta runs all over the body. The next sari is a red color sari with a navy blue border, with a navy blue big 16-inch border. And the body of the sari has a peacock motif that runs all over the body. So here is the pallu of the sari. These pieces are so beautiful. Like all the saris that I'm showing you today are really beautiful pieces. They're very good for parties, housewarmings, and also for gifting. It's priced very nominally. It's just $50. And also for the Pongal festival, we have the sale going on. So if you like to order, please ping us on 978-223-3718. Let me show you the blouse fabric. So the blouse fabric is this, which is a plain navy blue, and it comes with the border that can be used for the sleeve and the back of the blouse. And this is the butta that goes all over the body of the sari. Look at the peacock butta. So the next saris, these two saris are of the same color, but it's a little different design. So I'm going to open both the saris quickly and show you. So the body of the sari is navy blue, and the border is teal green color. So let me open the first one. It comes with both the saris comes with the flower motif, so you can see here. Let me open the sari and show you. This one has a little smaller border, and the other one comes with a little bit bigger border. This is the pallu of the sari, and look at the body of the sari, how beautiful it is. And sometimes the navy blue looks like black in the video and photo, but it's not black. There is no black color in this sari. It's completely navy blue. And we can show you the blouse. The blouse is okay, so this is the blouse fabric. So the blouse fabric comes like it's not plain in this sari. In most of the saris that we showed you, the blouse fabric was plain, but in this sari the blouse fabric comes as a brocade type blouse fabric. So the next navy blue sari comes with a little bit bigger border, and the sari fabric is Banarasi Dupian silk, and it is priced at $50. Look at the pallu of the sari, and also you can, so the pallu of the sari, the design, it has like squares, and then inside the squares there are circle motifs. And this is the blouse fabric. The plain teal green is the blouse fabric, and it comes with the border that can be used for the sleeves and shoulders. You look at the sari, it has this design all over the body. It's such a nice combination. And the last sari that we have for this video is also a navy blue sari. It comes with the red color border, red color big border. I think it should be around like 10 inches, 10-inch border. And the body of the sari has circles, circle buttas, round buttas all over the body of the sari. We'll show you the full sari. And look at the pallu of the sari. It's so beautiful and super contrast with the body of the sari. See how beautiful it looks. And this plain fabric is the blouse part, and it comes with this border. And this is also completely navy blue. Maybe in the video, due to the lighting, it might look a little bit black, but this saree doesn't have black in it. It's completely pure navy blue. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like to order, please ping us on WhatsApp on my number 9782233718. And these sarees are Banarasi Dupian silk sarees with big borders and rich pallu, and these are on sale, Pongal special sale for just $50. Thank you.